Now, today we have discussed functional. What is the meaning of functional? Functional is the set is the functions which are defined on the set of functions. S be the set of functions, right? The domain is the set of function, and R is the real number. So their number line, then the function f is such that s to r be a real valued function. Such functions are known as functional. That is, these are real valued and defined on the set of function, then it is called functional. Now let us define a functional, that is iy, which is equals to integral of x1 to x2 f of x comma y dash dx subject to the endpoints. What is the boundary points are that y of x1 is equals to y1 and y of x2 is equals to y2. What is the functional? These are the functional, right? And it is the multivariable functional. So because of there are two variables, right? It is two variable, three variable, four variable, and so on. Okay, now theorem: if yx is an extremizing function for the problem minimize and maximize. What is the problem? Iy is equals to x1 to x2 functional of this dx and y of x1 and y to x2. Then yx satisfy boundary value problem because of this. These are the boundary values, right? Now how do you find out the maximum or minimum? It is the form of finding out the maximum and minimum, which is d by dx of del f upon del y dash minus del f upon del y is equals to 0 at yx1 is equals to y1 and yx2 is equals to y2. This is the method for finding maximum and minimum. Now let us find the example. This is the example. Find the shortest smooth plane curve joining two distinct points. These are the boundary points at which the function is defined. Now minimizing the arc length of the function. This is the function we have given, that is functional is under root 1 plus y dash ka whole square, right? Now you are applying this formula, so we have to find out firstly what is del f upon del y, which is equals to 0 because y function is not there exist, and del f upon del y dash is equals to y dash upon under root 1 plus y dash square, and taking derivative of with respect to x, this gives you y dash upon under root 1 plus y dash ka whole square is equals to c. That gives y dash ka whole square is equals to c square 1 plus y dash square. Y dash is equals to under root c square upon 1 minus c square, which is equals to m. This gives, after integrating it, this gives y is equals to mx plus c. This is the shortest distance is a straight line. This is a straight line equation, so shortest distance is straight line.